Good morning mga motorista, another day, another vlog naman. So guys, promote ko lang sa inyo yung business namin. So ito yung production area namin guys, gawa ng jersey, tarpaulin. Ito nga pala yung printer namin guys na kayang gumawa ng 10,000 pieces in one day. So ito yung mga service offered namin dito guys sa Banworth Printing Station, Bulacan. Full sublimation jersey, uniform and polo shirt guys. Mga school uniforms, corporate uniforms, tarpaulin print and signages guys, Panaflex signages, luminous signages, double, single face, personalized souvenir mugs, t-shirt, cups, pens, umbrella, and many more guys. So, ito nga pala guys yung laser cutting machine natin. So, imbis na tao guys, laser na yung nagkakat ng mga jersey natin guys para tahin. So, ito yung operator natin guys, si Kuya. So, perfect niya yan guys. Specialized niyan. So, dyan siya magaling. Kaya siya yung gumagawa niyan guys. So, ayan. Kung makikita mo, ayan, laser head na yung tumitira sa kanya guys. So, para less na guys. Ito yung panoorin guys. Ayan o, tingnan nyo. Laser na high-tech ang mga gamit ni boss. So, ayan. Venom Art Short natin guys. So, see you.